In this video, we're going to look at interpreting or understanding line graphs. It's quite straightforward, but I just want to walk you through a couple as examples. So this first one says, fans of the Edson baseball team compared the number of games won by their team each year. So things to notice on your line graph are your title, games won by the Edson baseball team, and your labels on your two axes. So down here on the x-axis, we have the year. On the y, we have games won. So it's asking us, in total, how many games did the baseball team win in 2017 and 2018? So very simply, I look to see how many games were won in 2017. So I go to 2017 on the x-axis. I see that unfortunately, that is 0 for them. I'm just going to make a note of that. 0 in 2017. And then in 2018, they won, look over at what that is, 1 game. So it says here, in total, how many did they win in 2017 and 18? So 0 plus 1 is just 1. Okay. And the second and last example in a short video, it says a vendor who sold bread at a farmer's markets counted the number of leftover loaves at the end of each day. So we see our title, loaves of leftover bread, our axes labels on the day, and the leftover loaves, the number. So it's asking us, in total, how many loaves of bread were left over on Wednesday and Thursday? So I go to Wednesday on the x-axis, and I see that there were 90 loaves left over on Wednesday. I'm just going to write that there, 90 loaves on Wednesday, as well as on Thursday. Thursday I go up the line to where it meets the little dot, the vertice. 75 loaves on Thursday, so 90 plus 75, 5, 9 plus 7, 16. So 165 loaves left over. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That's it. Good luck with this section.